Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got these two nightstands that we're going to redo. So hit that subscribe button and let's get this party started. Alright, overall good condition. You can definitely tell that it's got some wear from the years of use, which is perfect. So what we'll do is we'll remove the hardware, pull the drawers, we'll double check the tracks, the frame, everything's good on it, and then we'll start sanding this piece down and then painting it and then working our magic back to life. So first thing, let's pull the drawers, pull the hardware, and we can get this party started. Alright, hardware off, drawers pulled, frame looks good. We're going to go ahead and start sanding this piece. DeWalt sander, I've got a scrap piece of sandpaper around here somewhere. Maybe it's still in the truck bed. But we're just going to go over this piece. Make sure you get the tops really well because on these French pieces, they're very slick and paint doesn't like slick surfaces. So that's one of the big reasons we sand here is to give that scuff feeling so that paint sticks nice and well to these pieces. So as you can tell, we got a lot of work here. A lot of this is chipped, so we got to get all that smooth so when we paint, it looks clean and crisp. So, got my mask, 80 grit sandpaper, DeWalt sander. Let's go to work. We vacuumed it, we wiped them down, and now it's late at night. Remember, I have 2 kids under 2, so all the responsibilities that come with it. You guys at home probably know exactly what I'm talking about here. You gotta try to fit in these projects when you can. So, they've went to sleep, now I'm back at work out here. We're gonna use our BEHR Premium Prime and Paint here. The color's Blackout. I've got this nice long brush here that we're going to use. With my projects, I do the bottoms, I do the backs, and so on the nightstands. And so we'll start on the bottoms, we'll work our way down, we'll flip it over, we'll do the tops and anything that we didn't see from this position, and then we'll do that for 2 coats. And then, well, we can move on to sanding and waxing and finalizing these pieces. So I got a couple hours of work ahead of me. Let's get started. Now that they are dried after 2 coats, we're going to come in and we're going to scuff this up just a little bit. Here at Vintage Statements is something we do. We like that vintage worn in look still. But this is definitely a step you could skip if you wanted and move on to waxing your pieces. So we're just going to spend a few minutes using our old sandpaper. We're going to scuff everything up nicely and then we'll start waxing. So let's get started. So we've got it all scuffed up, wiped down, and now we can start waxing our piece. Today we're going to use Howard Citrus Shield Wax Paste. It looks pretty dull, but it's going to come back to life with this wax. We'll get it all nice and shiny again.
We'll get the door in, or the drawer in, and then we will have this piece basically finished. So the next time you see this, well, it's going to be completed. And then I'll do the final video when we have some light. I'll put it by the tree there or next to the wall here so you can see what the end product looks like. So let's get started. I got an old sock in here. Let's get to work.
Alright, here they are completed. We used Blackout as the color, BEHR premium paint. We scuffed them, we sanded them down, painted them twice, we scuffed them, we waxed them, and well, I think the transformation is quite impressive, and I think this is going to sell well. On to our next project, which is going to be the long dresser that matches this, and the tall boy that matches this. So hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot more cool videos and matching pieces to go with this.